It's a good day in the kitchen when I can cook up a classic that involves my favorite candy of all time. Good old-fashioned peanut butter cup cookies. I don't know if I'll get through this recipe without eating them all. Everyone has seen these cookies, but do you know how to make them? I've got an easy recipe from scratch that you'll be able to whip up for the perfect after-school treat or with all those Halloween candy pieces. We'll start by sifting together our dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and salt. Sifting the ingredients evenly distributes them and keeps out any clumps. Onto the wet ingredients, we're gonna whip together our softened butter, peanut butter, brown sugar, and white sugar, and we're gonna beat this until it's light and fluffy. Once this mixture is light and fluffy, we'll beat in 1 egg, a little bit of milk, and some vanilla. Once that is well incorporated, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients and mix just until combined. Simple as that. Now we roll this into 40 small balls and put them in a mini muffin tin. Just gonna roll it up. This makes a lot of cookies. You don't understand the willpower it is taking right now to not eat a little bite of every single one. Bake this at 375 for about 8 minutes and then be ready with your unwrapped candies because as soon as they come out of the oven, we're gonna pop them in the center. Here we go. The heat from the cookie will melt the chocolate just enough so that it sticks inside. The hardest thing about this recipe is the weight. At this point, we'll let them cool completely, pop them out, and enjoy these tasty treats. The wait is over, it's time to taste. Favorite cookie, favorite candy, where they all come together in the perfect bite. Forget the fancy, gussied up desserts. Sometimes the good old classics are the best. I promise you'll make anyone happy with this, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. And when you do, don't forget to tag me. We're making peanut butter cookies.